Let's introduce you to the system how to use graphic programming. To bending. First we select a product here. It's empty at the moment. We can name an item here. Let's use it, for example. Then exit. In this screen, there are molds to choose from. The mold we've selected is number 2 mold. It's 83 degrees, slightly pointed. If you need to create another mold, you can create a new mold here. And of course, you can delete it. Then you can modify the dimensions of the mold. You can change the parameters here. There's also a number 3 mold. Can also be edited through it. When you leave the factory, the customer will edit the mold for you. Basically, you don't need to edit it. Select number 2 mold. Then lower mold is the same. The lower mold is now notch. It's a 12 gauge notch. The notch is facing this way. Of course, there are more options here. You can change the notch here. Let's say we change from 12 to 8. This side will be reduced. You can also change the height of the mold. The default height is 46. Including the direction of the folding plate. The direction of the mold can be modified arbitrarily. In general, the short side of the mold is facing inward. After selecting the mold, then set the parameters of plate thickness. Now set the plate thickness as 1.8. Number 2 mold. Then 12 for the notch, 1.8 for the plate thickness. And then go into draw in the new area that I just created. I've drawn one here for reference. You can refer to him, 20, 27, 130. And then there's a center option here. You can zoom in. The parameter here is 20. It's possible to change the angle, for example, to 120 degrees. Let's say we take this surface and make it horizontal. Horizontal. Hold on a second. Let's choose this side. When we level it, level it with this side. If we select this edge, level it and then center it. You can rotate it here. Then change the angle back. This is what it looks like. Then before you click on next, select the bend step. Fold this one. Fold this one. This one. This one. When you're done, select next. We're standing here and we're not bending the plate very well. Make a rotation. Then the second cut. Third cut. When we fold it, the third knife should hit the material. So there's a setback. Well, set it up later, and well rotate it here. Once we set it up, well start folding the plate. Take a look at this. For the third cut, we need to set a setback. For example, the setback distance is set to 50. Concession height is 0 by default. 0 degrees translates to 180 degrees. It's just enough to press the board. Concession delay. The setback time is usually set to 0.1. Backward, back a little bit, and then folded down. The next cut, the fourth cut, is also set to 50. The setback time is also set to 0.1. Switching to the first cut, you can start with a blank. See how it works. Here added the setback setting of the Okay, now we have a board. Fold it from the first cut. The first cut is placed like this. The second cut, turn it around. Okay, the third cut is very important. The third cut is placed like this. You can see how the knife moves when you fold it. Watch carefully. It's pushed forward after it's withdrawn. So it won't be empty. Look, it's basically the same as this tatter. Then you can preview it here. Each product can be previewed. Click on this and you'll see the dimensions. It's exactly the same as this one. The knowledge of graphic programming bending is basically finished.